Hey, my name is Harrison Overby. I work with Elite Truck on their sales team. Today we're going to be installing an MF3 DECKED system into a 2021 Ford Ranger. Deck unit comes as a pretty well-built, put-together packaging. It's going to come on a pallet and through a freight carrier. This one arrived through ABF. I don't know if that's nationwide. Unboxing it all, you do get all your bolts, your wheels in a separate box. You get your dividers, your spine, your drawers, everything like that, and then the top decking is on the bottom. These units do come with two dry boxes, one big box, one little box. In full-size units, these drawers would be the same. In the smaller one, mid-sizes, they are different widths. It's not very tool heavy to get these things installed. This one in particular is a no drill. You only need a ratchet, 2 sockets, and 2 X wrenches. Step is to remove the factory front tie downs and install the sliders. You are going to replace the tie downs with the mounting bracket that bolts right back into the same threads. This is installing the mounting brackets that will bolt to the deck unit directly to keep it in place. At the start of this, you are going to have to assemble this on a flat surface, get everything, make sure all the bolts line up, and get all prepared and prepped to go in. There is a step where you do have to install the top decking with the ammo cans and everything on the ground. You will have to uninstall the top decking to move the spine and the ammo cans back into the bed of the truck, and then re-establish the top decking. It is recommended not to skip this step. It is up to you if you want to skip it or not for the purpose of the video. In the installation process of this, when you do get the top decking back off and everything into the bed to do the final installation, do pay attention to the different types of screws you are supposed to use in certain locations. There is a blue screw that is used for the spine, and then the red screws are used for the ammo can. Installing the C-channels, it does recommend to install loosely, so you can go back later and tighten once you've made some final adjustments. Steps, you are going to start installing the drawers. You're going to have to put the wheels on it and make sure that all that mounting hardware in the drawers are correct.